Living on campus is a real head start. No commuting chaos, no stress. It means more time for studying, for resting, and for meeting people. Getting around is effortless. Lecture halls, green spaces, cafes, support services, all just a few minutes apart. The whole place feels connected so you can move through the day without rushing. Whether it's grabbing a coffee or taking a quick break between classes, campus spots like the Hive Cafe makes it easy to build a routine that actually works for us. Having the library so close is a game changer too. It's a place to focus, meet classmates, or prepare for deadlines without trekking across London. When everything is within walking distance, studying feels less like a mission and becomes a natural part of the day. And when students need support, it's right here, quick, accessible, and genuinely helpful. There is always a place to unwind, whether by the lake or out in the wide green spaces, perfect for switching off or catching up with friends. And when you're ready to head out, the transport links are right by the campus. Effortless access to central London with the peace of campus waiting when you're back.